Got some new little baby goats. This one's name is Pants. As you can see, because he has some pants on. There's his mama. And then the other baby's over here on the other side of mama.
Her name is Dottie.
And this one's name is Dottie.